Hey folks, Adam here, and we're looking at this. It is a quad screen design by the good folks at KYY. Now, if you're looking to enhance your laptop experience to the absolute utmost extreme in a foldable, collapsible, travel-friendly design, well, there's nothing better. Now, what separates this from previous models, the competition, and a whole lot more? Well, first, I love the fact that this is all running off of one USB-C. One single USB-C is controlling the entire output. It looks fantastic. Now, in this case, we have it extending the screens 4 directions. We'll show you how we did that. It took about 30 seconds. It was easy to use, and everything you need is included, and we'll show that in the up-close portion of the video coming up. And during that up-close portion of the video, if you're convinced that it's the right product for you, go ahead and put it in your cart. Now, with a 60 Hertz refresh rate, that means it's going to be great for gaming experiences. You're going to love that. With 16.7 million colors, this is a great product when it comes to the overall brightness and getting all those colors that you've ever wanted. And with 400 nits of brightness, it's a beautiful design for you. It's bright, it's gorgeous, and it's crystal clear. Now, this will support 16:9, 4:3 ratios as well. And yeah, it's by a company that we've truly learned to love. Let's go ahead and check it out. We're gonna kick it off right now. Now, for me, as somebody who works heavily in graphics design, this has become a very, very important tool for me. Right here, we have our video editing software on screen with a preview screen running over here. On this side, we have our Photoshop that just pulled up, and we can go ahead and preview different design elements, or maybe watch a movie at the same time, have some music or a video on, all at the same time. So we're able to bop back and forth, say I need a photo asset that I'm going to drag into my video editor, boop, and then I can preview it over here or over here. Very nice. Now, in addition, maybe you're an accountant. You've got your tax program open here or your accounting software, and you go ahead, have a spreadsheet open here and here. Again, you've got room for maybe a music video, a TV show, or whatever else you might need to work on. You're copying and pasting from multiple files. It comes much more convenient than having to toggle through multiple screens. That's where this comes in very handy. And I do want to give you an up-close look at the colors themselves. This is just a beautiful look, and in real life, it's going to be even brighter and even more saturated in color than what you're seeing on screen right now. Furthermore, it's got a premium alloy design, rubber bumpers to make sure that nothing gets scratched, and each individual screen has menu buttons, and there's the power controlling it all. Very straightforward. It will collapse and fold in, and we'll show you it in its folded state in the up-close portion of the video. And if we move our laptop out of the way, you can see that this is all supported on its own, putting no additional and undue stress on your laptop itself. So this is a smart design, and they've put rubberized bumpers on the bottom to not scratch up your desktop. And I do want to point out that in this video, we show the screens kind of folded in on themselves, but you can, of course, kind of rotate down, and this gives you more of a surface here. Show you on this side as well. Boop. So that just gives you more surface area for larger laptops. Matter of choice and style, and it associated with the size of your laptop, but you can, of course, fold and give you more surface area for a larger laptop. In my particular setup, it was just this one USB-C plugged into my laptop. This is the power for my laptop. We can also use the USB-A setup. They've kind of thought of everything, making this easy and convenient, and they've done a great job hiding the wire to where you practically are looking at nothing at all. And friends, I do want to show you just how easy these are to set up. Control, and in my case, it's F8, to where you see you can do PC only, duplicate, extend, or second screen only. I did extend, and then it went ahead and showed me all 4 monitors. So I can identify each monitor, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can move them around however I have them set up and whatever is most convenient for me. So in this order, we wound up having number 2 over here on the left, number 4 over here on the right, 3 up here, and now we just click apply. And this has saved the monitors extended in this manner. Very easy to understand, literally 30 seconds to set up. I also want to point out how uncluttered this looks. We literally have one cable over here. That's all I need, just one cable, controlling everything. In my case, I didn't even have to install the drivers, but the drivers are included. And just look how nice and bright those images are. They've done a fantastic job making a clean appearance that's very functional for work, entertainment, and a whole lot more. So with that being said, tremendous brand, great reputation, practically a 0 defect rate. If you're an FPS shooter, that refresh rate is perfect. And yeah, easy setup. We're very happy with it. That leads us to the up close portion of the video coming up next. If you want to see the product up close and personal, all folded right out of the box, stick around. But we got to tell you, it's a great opportunity to put this in your cart. Go pick it up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for watching, and stick around for that up close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for our up close portion of the video. KYY, a brand we've been working with for a long time, but I tell you what, this is the icing on the cake. We love the X90G in black. And yeah, their big claim to fame is one cable, 3 additional screens, so that's 4 screens total, literally one cable. So with the 15.6 quad portable monitor, the X90G allows you to expand your laptop into 4-screen workstation. Again, 1 USB-C with a little bit of drivers, and you have got this thing set up. Now, they do give you the proper cabling to where you can hook it up yourself. Boom, shake the room right there. They've just done a great job. Now, KYY is synonymous with high quality, durability, reliability, and of course, responsibility. Now, all your drivers in USB-A or C mode, and boy, they've gone all out. Look at the metallic build to that. And you've got your plug for the wall, a standard 110 outlet right there. All right, so it's got a wide system capability. Works with Windows, Mac OS, Linux, and Android systems. Very nice. It's got the flexible rotation, of course. And look at this, they've given us our user guide for ease of use. Full color installation. And boy, they've got everything for you and me. They've even got this connection method shortcut guide, but really it's just plug one cable in. Now the device itself, we're going to open that up in front of you. Again, it's flexible. Each screen automatically detects the top position, supports 360 rotation all the way around, folks. With customizable layouts, this thing is built-in kickstand and a 90-degree adjustment. Boy, that is nice. So backing up just a little bit so you can see it. Unfolds, unfolds, and that back is hidden back there as well. So very easily unfolds for you and unfolds for me. They put a little padding and some screen protectors to make sure it's in good shape all the time, everywhere, all at once. So if you're looking for everything, folks, this thing has that upgraded 15.6 FHD IPS display, supporting 16.7 million colors, 80% NTSC color gamut, 400 nits of brightness, 60 Hz refresh rate, great for gamers. It's got both 16:9 or it supports 4:3 ratios. Yeah, you can use it as extended screen, mirror screen, portrait, single screen, single second screen, presentation, and sharing modes. It will work on laptops from 12 inches all the way to over 17.3 inches. This is portable and powerful. It's got the premium alloy design, durable, and they've even put these little screen protector guys on here to make sure that your screens stay protected in shipping. So folks, if you're looking for a great brand, KYY has you covered from top to bottom and stem to stern, tips to bottoms. And yeah, we love them, and we know you're going to love them as well. Now, when you look at the device itself, we always like to give you the up close. You can see the plus minus and the power button. Easy cabling right there, power and output. And each screen has its own menu buttons where you can scroll through accordingly. A little bit of rubberized there to make sure it's safe. And like we stated before, the screens will stand up on their own. Boy, that is nice. It's just that easy, folks. Included, again, are all the cabling. Goes right into your computer. That stand in the back to make sure it stays good, and it's rubberized on the bottom to make sure that it isn't scratching up your nice, clean surfaces. Folks, it's time to go pick this up. An incredible brand, great style, impressive performance, built for you, built for me, ready to go. Folks, we highly recommend you go pick one up. You will not be disappointed. Thanks for joining us. My name is Adam. If you're looking for an incredible triple monitor, quadruple, you get that fourth with yours, this can't be beat. Thanks for watching. I love you guys, but what are you waiting for? Now is the time in the video where you put it in your cart. Now get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends.